Hi, welcome to excellab.org. We'll see how to create loan amortization schedule. Now let's say Mr. Z, he wants to buy a house for $300,000 and he approached a bank. So the bank offers 5 years loan at 6% per annum. So with this data, we'll calculate first what is the equated monthly installment and then we'll make the schedule. So data I have written here, and this is yearly data. So what we'll do to calculate equated monthly installment, first we convert interest rate and the time period into a common denomination. So what we do, begin with equal to, and the rate is divided by 12 months and the time period is multiplied by the 12 months. So we got the monthly data. Now to find out the EMI, we begin with equal to and write the PMT function. So we can have the PMT here. Now first it is asking for rate, so the rate is the monthly one. Then next, the number of period, which is 60 months. Next it is asking for PV, that is present value, and the present value is the loan amount. So put minus and give reference $300,000. So this is our PV, present value. Ignore FV, and the last we can see it is type. So type is either 0 or 1. So if I write 0, it means the interest is applicable at the end of the period. So we assume, let's say the bank is charging interest at the end of the period, so suppose 0. Otherwise, suppose if it is 1, if I write 1, then it is at the beginning of the period. So suppose 0, close the bracket and enter. So we got it. It's approximately $5,800 per month. Now we'll make the schedule. So we got the EMI. Now to make the schedule, so I already made this thing, the heading. So starting with the 1, this is first month. So total months are 60. So I've taken till 60th month, and the loan amount, the beginning balance for the month. So now this is $300,000. So give the reference B2, enter. And next the EMI. So again you give the reference, which is $5,800. So give the reference. Now remember one thing, that the EMI, that is equated monthly installment, is fixed throughout the tenure of the loan. So we want same value always. So make it absolute by pressing F4. So once we press the F4, we can see the dollar sign here. It means same value we will get. Move to next, which is interest amount, and the next one is the principal. Now these two are the components of EMI. Now we know that EMI is made up of interest and the principal, so we will bifurcate it. So equal to, and the interest amount, which is on the beginning balance, multiply with the interest rate, which is monthly. Again, now remember this C4, we always want same value, that is 0.005. So make it absolute by pressing F4. So now we have the dollar sign. So we always multiply with 0.005. So we make it absolute. Move to next. Now this principal. Now principal is your EMI minus interest amount. So begin with equal to. So your EMI minus the interest amount. This is your principal you paid to the bank, and this is the interest amount you paid to the bank. So if you club together, if you club these two values, you will get the EMI. Now the month end balance, that is at the end of the month, what is the balance left once you pay the principal. So your loan amount minus the principal. So this is the year end balance, right? Now next, this is for the second month. Now second month beginning balance is the end balance of the first month, right? So click on this. Now we have the value. Now once we set the formulas in first row, Next we will use the autofill. So double click on this dot. You can see this dot. This is called fill handle. So double click on this. So on each column you double click. So you have the value. Don't worry about this blank values, it will come. And when we scroll down and we see the 60th month, it should be 0. So this is 0, right? So at the end of the 60th month, the balance is 0 and our loan gets over.